This is Guru Prasann from 3D Fully Design. 3D Fully Design wishes you all a delightful Merry Christmas. Let's celebrate Merry Christmas with 2D and 3D. This is a simple image drawing of Christmas tree for reference. This is the origin point for 2D drawing. Let's begin the 2D operation. Starting from bottom of the tree, drawing a line using coordinates. Making the 2D Christmas tree with lines by using coordinates and lengths. One half of the tree is done. Let's replicate it to other side to make full tree. Let's begin adding the dimensions. So added all the dimensions. Imported the same sketch into a 3D environment. The first 3D operation, let's protrude it. Rotating and weaving it. The second 3D operation is revolution. The Christmas tree is painted with appropriate colors. Let's do some decoration.